Welcome to Optimized, and in today's beginner WordPress tutorial we will discuss how to edit text if you are using the Divi theme and Divi Builder. I hope everyone is doing well, and in today's quick tutorial we will do a basic overview of how you edit text using the Divi Builder. This is a WordPress site. We have the Divi theme installed, we have the Divi Builder installed also, and that makes it so very easy to edit the text on your WordPress site. So all you need to do is hover over your little home icon over here and go to visit site, and what this is going to allow you to do is basically edit the text on your WordPress site like it is a Word document. So you need to click Enable Visual Builder right here, and this will bring up the editing interface, and you can literally change any aspect of your site by doing so. But in this tutorial we are just focusing on text, so let's come down here to a text module. Divi's made up by sections, rows, so the sections are blue, the rows are green, and the modules are this dark gray color. So it says module settings, so we click on that, we see it's a text setting because this is a text module. So you can edit it from right there, but even easier than that, you can just click anywhere on here and edit the text. So I'm just putting that right back to what it was, but it is really that simple. You have bold, italic, underline, center, link, quote, change the text size. You can change your headers. I don't recommend really getting into the making anything a header unless you know what you're doing, because that can throw off false signals to search engines and stuff like that. But you have all your different font options. If you wanted to change the font, I recommend sticking with a uniform font across your site. But it is really that simple. So for the basic stuff, this is a very basic tutorial. If you have the Divi theme, Divi Builder, you're on a WordPress site, that it is really that easy. But there's a lot more that goes into actually getting your site to look something like this. But all you gotta do is edit your text just like it's a Word doc. So I hope that helped. It'll allow you to make changes without having to contact your designer, not having to pay them, not having to wait, all that kind of stuff. So I think this is be very valuable to any business, small business especially, even medium to large size businesses that have someone on staff that has some basic computer skills. You can get in here and do this very easily. So please don't let WordPress intimidate you. It is not that bad, but there is one last thing we need to do. We need to save our changes. If we did actually make changes, we would need to save that so it would show up on the front end of our website when people come to visit it. And to do so, all you do is click on the little three dots down here. It's a purple circle and at the bottom of the screen. It's always there when you have the Visual Builder enabled. So we have it enabled, so now it says exit Visual Builder, but we have it enabled. I click that, and then you have the save button right here. So you click save, wait for it to do its thing, and it is really that simple. So I hope you found that valuable. If you are new to WordPress, if you need help with your website or redesign, SEO, anything online, we are absolutely crushing the internet right now and would be happy to help. You can learn more in the description and check us out at optimized.design. Have a great day.